Welcome back to our channel, Business by World. Do subscribe our channel for more video. Here we bring you the best tips and strategies to help you build a successful brand. In today's video, we're going to dive into the topic of creating the richest and most luxurious brand. If you're ready to take your brand to the next level, then keep watching. Number 1. Understanding the audience. The first key point to make your brand the richest and most luxurious is understanding your target audience. Research and identify the demographics, preferences, and behaviors of your ideal customers. This knowledge will allow you to tailor your brand to their desires and create a strong connection with them. Number 2. Brand identity. Building a strong brand identity is crucial. Start by defining your brand's core values, mission, and vision. These elements will serve as a foundation for all your brand strategies. Develop a unique brand voice and personality that resonates with your target audience. Consistency in your branding across all touchpoints, including your logo, website, packaging, and marketing materials, is key to establishing a luxury image. Number 3. Quality and exclusivity. To create a rich and luxurious brand, focus on offering products or services of the highest quality. Excellence should be at the core of everything you do. Use premium materials, pay attention to craftsmanship, and provide exceptional customer service. Additionally, create a sense of exclusivity around your brand by offering limited editions, special collections, or exclusive memberships. Scarcity drives desirability and enhances the perception of luxury. Number 4. Strategic partnerships. Collaborating with other luxury brands or influencers in your niche can elevate your brand's status. Seek partnerships that align with your brand's values and aesthetics. By associating your brand with respected names in the industry, you can leverage their credibility and reach to attract a broader audience. Number 5. Impeccable marketing. A well-executed marketing strategy is essential for a successful luxury brand. Invest in high-quality visuals and captivating storytelling that reflects the aspirational lifestyle your target audience desires. Utilize social media platforms, influencer marketing, and traditional advertising channels to increase brand visibility. Remember to maintain an air of exclusivity and allure in your marketing campaigns. Number 6. Exceptional customer experience. Creating a memorable customer experience is crucial for a luxury brand. Every interaction a customer has with your brand should be exceptional. Provide personalized service, attention to detail, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Offer exclusive events, VIP treatment, and personalized recommendations to create a sense of exclusivity and make your customers feel valued. Number 7. Consistent innovation. To stay at the forefront of the luxury market, continuous innovation is key. Monitor industry trends and consumer preferences to adapt your offerings accordingly. Introduce new products, services, or experiences that reflect the evolving desires of your target audience. By consistently pushing boundaries, you can maintain your brand's status as a leader in luxury. Conclusion. And there you have it, the key points to make your brand the richest and most luxurious. Remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to achieve this level of success. By understanding your audience, building a strong brand identity, focusing on quality and exclusivity, forming strategic partnerships, executing impeccable marketing, delivering exceptional customer experiences, and embracing innovation, you're well on your way to creating a brand that stands among the richest and most luxurious in the world. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember to dream big, think luxury, and make your brand the richest it can be. See you in the next video.